Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Google Prompt device. So if you want Google to stop prompting you to accept a notification before you can sign into your Google account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove Google Prompt devices, all you need to do is go ahead and open a browser. This could be on any device, could be on your Android, on your iPhone, or on PC. Then go to account.google.com. Once you go to accounts.google.com, sign into the Gmail account where you want to remove Google Prompt device. Then swipe through and click on Security. Under Security, scroll down, locate and click on Google Prompts. Now, once you selected Google Prompt, you see the list of devices where Google Prompt works. Click on Manage Devices. Once you click on Manage Devices, you see your devices. Here you have access to all the devices where Google send your prompt. Now, to remove any device from this Google prompt, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the device. Then once you click on the device, locate and click on Sign Out. Then you should say this will remove access to your Google account from this device. Go ahead and click on Sign Out. So that's all you need to do. And when next time you want to sign into your Google account, Google will not send your prompt to this device. So that is basically how to remove Google prompt devices. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.